I take this amplifier circuit with the IC from a rejected amplifier, Sony amplifier. Now I am going to check this IC. This circuit maybe can repair, but I don't want to repair the circuit. I'm just going to take the IC. I'm going to check the IC first. It's okay or not. I don't know it's okay or not. I have to check first. If it's okay, then I'm lucky. It's very important IC. This IC can make 80 watt per terminal. 80 watt can make. I am going to take out the IC first. Later I will use this IC from a new amplifier circuit board. I already take out the IC. This is STK4201 IC. STK4201 IC. Now I am going to use this circuit for this IC. If you want this circuit diagram, please take the comment link. There have this same circuit diagram in the comment link. You can take the circuit diagram and can use. We can use STK4201, 4221, 4222, 4232, 4231. STK42 series we can use in this circuit. STK42 series. This one 4201. I don't know how many IC have in 42 series. First time I was this 4201. Before I used 4231, 4221, 4211. But at first I am using 4201. I have no knowledge how many IC have in 42 series. Solder nicely. Okay. Now I am going to check this circuit. This is a very useful amplifier IC, STK IC. This is positive, this is negative voltage will be here, connect here. Negative voltage need to connect here. Positive voltage need to connect here. And this is the ground voltage connecting here. First I am going to check using multimeter. Connect, and now I am plugging. Need to check the voltage first. Later I will use speaker. First I am going to check using meter. White one is the ground voltage, red one is the positive 25 voltage, negative 25 voltage. Speaker output don't have any voltage. Don't have any voltage. That means maybe IC is okay. If there are any short, then here will be voltage. Now it will be AC voltage. Need to change the meter. I am changing the meter. It should be AC. Speaker output is AC. Touching the input, speaker output getting voltage. Touching input, speaker output getting voltage. That means this side is okay. That means this side is okay. So need to take the another side. Touching input, The AC voltage is coming out from the output. It's okay. Now I am going to use this speaker. No, I need to use bigger speaker. This one. This is speaker output, and this is the ground voltage for the speaker. Look, it's working. I'm so lucky I find out this IC. This side also need to check. It's also okay. This side also working well. Now I am going to check this STK using audio song. I have to connect the audio input. This circuit is okay, amplifier is also okay, STK is okay. No need to check, but I am going to check. This is audio input. This is ground for the input. This is right speaker input, and this is left speaker input. I am going to connect on mobile here. Sorry, I cannot play the song for the YouTube copyright issue. It's working very well. Watt is so heavy. This speaker is 200 watt speaker. It is playing nicely, smoothly. And IC also cold, no heat. Small little bit heat, it's okay. We can use in this IC 35 voltage or maximum 45 voltage. Maximum 45 voltage in this circuit. Thank you for watching the video. It's Brother Electronics, Maipoti, Joshua. If you want any amplifier, please contact with us. Thank you for watching the video.